Alright, so what do we got here?
Alright, so what you're seeing right now is the 360 drones, and it allows you to pioneer while live streaming the live vids of the drones in 360 real time. So these goggles right here allows you to see everything that's around the drones while you are flying it. Yeah. And it shoots up to 8K, 360 videos, and the control is really easy to use. You just point and shoot. So it's gonna be really intuitive flying experiences for you. It's not meant to be for like cinematic shots, but it's more for to give you immersive flying experiences. Would you like to try it out?
Sure thing.
360-degree details. See everything.
对的。这外屏现场是，稍等一下，我们这个接待完。这样的。Well, so yeah, we have. So there's an SD card over here. So it's actually that SD card you can in the drone. Once you put it out, you can import the 360 footage into the goggles, and that's how we're gonna preserve the footages, and you can see everything. Let me set it up for you.
Watch the world open up.
It's playing a 360 videos that we have captured in the past. So it's playing the videos that we have captured in the past. Okay. 360 videos, you can look around, so you can see wherever you want.
Cool.
And here's the batteries for the And this knob sort of adjusts the intensity of light on the left eye, on the right eye. Alright. With the knob, you see everything clearly. Okay. Cool. Yep. Hand press, you can adjust it. If you want a close-up shot of yours, I can set up right here.
Yeah, that's cool.
A1 captures it all. Traditional drones demand near perfect aim. Enjoy the action. Never lose a shot. Create endless stories with
wow.
just one take.
How do you feel?
Comfortable.
Alright, I can just look around.
Use analog to find highlights. Build seamless transitions. Get smooth cinematic results completely.
What is our
Level up your thoughts even further.
Wow.
With one tap, lock on.
Makes you feel like a superhero.
Yeah, so this will be exactly what you're seeing when you're actually flying the drones. But with the UI.
Utilize our intelligent obstacle avoidance combined with navigation assist, so you always know what's ahead. Plus a payload detection system, or stopping flight if extra weight is
Wow.
detected.
How do you feel about it?
Wow, that's awesome.
Could be a little bit trippy when you start flying it, but yeah, you get used to it. It's like 3 seconds.
I haven't done what you call the
Go beyond.
other the dive drone. Wow. There's your regular drones, and then there's the
Like FPV.
FPV. That's what I was trying to say. Yeah.